Alright, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a quick video, and this one's just going to be actually doing a review on some LED headlights from my friends here from OXILAM. No. Anywho, so they reached out to me and wanted me to do a review here on their LED headlights. So they asked if they could send me some LED headlight bulbs for my Kia Forte. So that's what this will be on. So I got my low beams and I got my high beams. So we're going to do both today, and it only takes a few minutes on this car. And then I'll do before and after with the stock bulbs and with the LEDs. We'll compare them at the end, and hopefully that'll help you all make that decision on upgrading your headlights, which direction you want to go, and see if it's worth the LEDs or something else. But yeah, we're going to check them out. But I know in the past, my experience, I actually had these exact brand of bulbs in my Grand Cherokee, and I really liked them. But anyways, yeah, I really like those bulbs, so I think it's going to work out great for this car. So I can't wait to get them in and, see the difference. Let's do high beams. Okay, just kind of showing you what to expect when you get these. Get your little instructions. Actually came with gloves. Could be helpful. And these are the 9005 bulbs. So, got your same standard plug-in connection. They're exactly the same size, pretty much. Here's your H7 standard bulb. Here is the new LED H7, pretty much the same size. It's not bulky or anything like that, so that'll be perfect. So here's your standard 9005 bulb on the left, your new LED on the right. See, comparing them both, they are about the same size, other than the part that goes into the light, which that usually isn't an issue at all getting in there. Okay, so we're gonna look at the driver's side first. And of course, this one's nice and snug. There we go. Okay, so this will be the passenger side. I'll just show you comparing the LED versus the old. Pretty much the same size. Really, it's the base that's important. Let's move on to this one. New bulb, same style plug-in. This one does have the little fan on it, keep it cool. Okay, that side's done. All right, so one of the other reasons you might want to do LEDs instead of halogens is you might be into the look. Typically, people like the look of LEDs in a car. The bulbs themselves, they last longer and typically are brighter, and they shine a lot better on the road in the rain at night, in my opinion. I think you could see there's definitely a difference there in the brightness and the intensity of the light itself. And I know for me, the biggest thing is when it rains, when you have weather, that's where the LEDs really shine. They really, light the road up. So that's what I really like about them. But yeah, I'm very happy with these ones. So I put a link in the description, where you all can go check out their website. See, that's pretty good. Or you can go check out their website, look up your specific vehicle, the bulbs, and, give these guys a shot. And also, when you use the link in the description, you will be able to benefit from 20% off your first order, which is pretty cool and makes trying out the LED light bulbs a little easier. So again, the brand, there it is. The headlight bulbs, the low beams for me are the Q36 series. And the 87s are 87s. There was no problems at all. I didn't get any lights on the dash or anything like that. They're not flickering. So overall, I'd say it's definitely a good product. Yeah, I think that's going to wrap it up for this one. I hope this helps you all out. And like I said, go check out the link in the description. Take a look and get yourself a bulbs for your vehicle and try them out. But hopefully you like what you saw. And if you did, I'd appreciate click that like button. And I'll be doing more videos like this in the future for other small DIY projects. Please subscribe as well. And then, as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.